In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional questions in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly powerful for creating dynamic forms that respond to users' input, ensuring they are only presented with relevant questions based on their previous answers. Whether you're designing a survey, a quiz, or any other type of form, mastering conditional questioning can greatly enhance the user experience and data accuracy. Let's start by opening Google Forms. If you haven't already, head over to Google Forms and either start a new form or open an existing one that you're working on. Once you have your form open, it's important to plan which questions will lead to which sections. This planning will help in visualizing how your form will branch out based on user responses. With your form ready and your plan in mind, let's add the conditional questions. First, choose the question to which you want to apply conditions. This is typically a multiple-choice question, as the choices will dictate the user's path through the form. Select the question by clicking on it. Now look out for the three dots or More Options menu in the bottom right corner of the question box. This is where you'll find the option to Go to Section based on answer. Click this and you'll see additional options appear next to each answer choice. Next, you need to set up your sections. To do this, click on the Add Section icon, which looks like two vertical rectangles at the bottom of the question box. Each section will represent a different path the user can take based on their previous answers. Once your sections are set, return to your main question and decide which answer will lead to which section. Next to each answer, now you should see a drop-down menu. Use this to select your previously created sections, ensuring each selection leads to the correct section as per your design. Another crucial point to remember is setting up what happens at the end of each section. You have to decide whether to bring the user back to the main set of questions, send them to a different section, or simply submit the form. This can be done by scrolling to the bottom of each section, where you'll find the option to continue to next section or choose a specific next step. Finally, once your form's conditional logic is configured, it's a good practice to test it out. Pretend to be a user and go through the form, choosing different answers to see if the navigation aligns with your planned logic. This final test will ensure that everything flows as intended and that your conditional questions work seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully added conditional questions to your Google form, allowing for a more personalized and efficient form-filling experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.